What is up guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be bringing you guys a quick unboxing of the Apple AirTags. So I finally decided to get these because I travel a lot and I've heard these are very helpful if one of your suitcases or one of your luggage gets lost on the way. You can use these to get the exact location if it's misplaced at an airport or anywhere, So these are very important if you're traveling. So I finally decided to get myself the 4-pack because I usually travel with a lot of bags. So this is going to be very helpful. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Let's pull the seal. Let's see what it says here. It says Apple AirTag 4-pack designed by Apple in California. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, I think I already opened the seal. Oh, so you just open it through here. It just slides out like this. Some safety and handling guide, so it shows you how to replace the battery and stuff. And then here are the AirTags all packed up nicely. And wow, what a nice presentation. So it just opens up like a book and you're presented with all 4 of the AirTags here. And it shows you a quick start guide over here. So you have to update to the latest iOS, and then these connect to your iPhone through the Bluetooth. And over here says you just have to pull there's a pull tab on these, as you guys can see. Each one of these has a pull tab here, so you just pull that tab and these are ready to use right away. And you just need to hold these near your device and follow the on-screen instructions, and that is about it. These are all packed up, nicely packed up in this plastic. Let's go ahead and connect one of these with my iPhone real quick. Let me get my iPhone. Alright, so here's my iPhone. Let's pull this tab real quick. First let me get this plastic off this. I'm just gonna take this plastic from the front off. A nice shiny stainless steel finish up front. And then on the back it's just white plastic. Kind of like the plastic they use on AirPods. So I think you just have to pull this plastic and these should be activated. And yeah, I just heard a sound, so these are probably activated now. As you guys can see, it detected the AirTag right away. Just hit connect. So I'll be using these mostly for luggage, so I'm just going to select luggage here. AirTag is linked to your Apple ID. AirTag is intended solely to track items that belong to you. Of course, click agree. So it's connecting to the AirTag right now. Oh, what a nice sound that these make. Wow, I didn't know these had a speaker. These make alarming sound. That's pretty cool. Wow. So Sean's luggage with you. Okay, let's go ahead and view in my Find app. As you guys can see, that's my other older AirTag that I got a couple of years back. Now this is the new one. It says Sean's luggage and it's all set up. It's right here. So if I move it further away, click on Find option, it will try to connect to it first. Not saying it's connected, not showing me the distance, how far it is, as you guys can see. That is so cool, man. And if I move it further away, it will show me the direction where it is precisely. That is so cool. Yeah, let's try making a sound through the AirTag and see how well that works. And wow, look at that, guys. That's what I'm talking about. It has a little speaker, so you can play sounds through it. That is so cool. I didn't know it had a little speaker in it. That'll make it a lot easier for you to find your stuff if it gets lost and you have an AirTag in that bag. It'll make things a lot easier for you to find. Really cool, guys, really cool. That's gonna be it for this quick unboxing, guys. And I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.